Hello students, good morning. Now students, we are studying maths in that chapter 11 constructions. In that we are doing exercise 11.4 and last time we have completed 2 and 3rd, right? Now students, I hope you have got how to draw this construction till 1 to 4, right? This 1, 2, 3 and that 11.1 first construction is there. Now we will draw this fourth and the 5 construction. So fourth one is that draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60. So first students, what you have to draw, we have to draw the circle that having the radius 5 centimeter. So here I have drawn taken the center as a O and drawn a circle with the radius 5 centimeter. Okay, now here we are taking the point A, that is called as a radius only. Here we are taking the point A and we will join this OA. From this OA we are drawing the perpendicular line to OA at the point A. Now students, to draw a perpendicular line, what we have to do, we have to make here 90-degree angle, right? So with the help of the certain radius that is small, we have to draw the half circle first, right? Draw this half circle and take a point 1 radius that is of 60 and the another radius, right? And from these two radius you have to take the middle one, that is one is up and one is from here, at which point they will intersect, that is point you have to pass through the A and it is perpendicular to the OA, that will make the 90-degree angle. Like this way you have to make the perpendicular line to the point A. Okay, means here you have to draw a angle of 90-degree, that is become the perpendicular. Okay, now what you have to do, now you have to draw a radius of OB, that is another point on the circle that having the angle of 120. Why we are taking 120? Because we have to draw the angle that is inclined of 60. So we are doing that 180 minus 60. So it is equal to what? Angle 180. So here from here we are drawing the angle which is exactly 180. 120, sorry. Okay. So here we are drawing the angle that is 120. Students, how will you draw the 120? So 120 is of what? 60 plus 60 is called as a 120. Understood? So with of any radius, draw a half circle that is like this way, and from that intersecting point make a one arc here and another arc like this way. So first arc is of 60 and second arc of 120. So it's here to here, you have to join this and you will get one line. Okay, so you have to pass the line from this arc and give the name as a B, and this angle will become the 120. Okay, now what you have to do, like A, here also we have to draw the perpendicular line to the B, and what will become, this line will intersect the first line, this perpendicular line at a point, that point will be called as your angle 60 we will get. Okay, and we will give the another name to this point. Okay, now here you have to draw the perpendicular line of the B, means here you have to make the 90-degree angle. Okay, how will you make the 90-degree? So first you have to draw the half circle, make it like a half circle, then from here to here one arc and here to here one arc, right, and then draw one arc up, and from here also draw one arc here, right. Now you have to pass the line from B and this intersecting point and will intersect at this particular point. Like this way you have to draw. Hope students you are getting this. Here also we have drawn the perpendicular line to the B that we have done in the A, right. So here will become what? 90-degree angle, both are the 90 means perpendicular, and give the name as a P. So this intersecting point is P and this angle should be 90 only. Why? Because opposite angle, sum of the opposite angle is 180. So one is 120, so second will be automatically 60 degree. 180 minus 120 will be 60 degree. So here you will get the constructions like this way, right. So here the points are there. first you have drawn the circle that is radius of 5 centimeter with the center O. Then you just take the straight line. Why we are taking the straight line? Because you will get the particular mark. Otherwise it will go in the another way. So take a straight line and draw the perpendicular of A. Right? That is a 90 degree. Now from O take the 120 degree and give the name as a B. Now draw the perpendicular of the B. Now intersect the line PA, perpendicular of A and the perpendicular of the B at the point P. Now join them. So you will get as a P angle as a 60 degree. Okay, which is the required tangent at angle 60. Like this way you have to write the construction steps. Okay.